Discover the ATEL V810 series, a range of dynamic devices designed to keep you connected in any scenario. Let's take a closer look at what each version can do for you. Your device will come in a box, just like this one. Inside the box, you will find your V810 device of choice with its accessories: 3 AA batteries, a charging block, a Type-C USB charging cable, a quick start guide, a Meet Your Device guide, and additional accessory and support flyers. The ATEL V810A is the ideal choice for small offices and collaborative spaces. Equipped with a Wi-Fi 802.11 AC radio capable of supporting up to 15 users simultaneously and an Ethernet RJ45 port for a secured wired connection. To install your SIM card, remove the back cover and carefully lift up the battery holder from the side and install the SIM card into the spring-loaded SIM slot. To install the batteries, insert the battery connection cable into the battery port. Once the batteries and SIM card have been installed, align and carefully place the battery cover back into position. Say hello to the V810V and VD models, your go-to for crystal clear communication in critical situations. The V810V and VD are based on the LTE network and can replace 100% of your telephone lines. The V810V and VD allow users to use VoLTE and provide HD voice support. It even supports conference calling up to 6 callers. AA batteries can be used to keep the hub working for voice without being connected to power for up to 36 hours on standby. The V810V and VD also have 2 telephone ports. Insert a telephone cord into one of these ports and plug the other end into your telephone base for voice usage. This replaces your traditional landline services such as POTS. The V810VD additionally comes with one Ethernet port as well, offering a versatile solution for businesses requiring both voice and data services. Insert an Ethernet cable into this port and plug the other end to your computer for internet access. Let's now go through how to use the devices. To turn the device on, press and hold the power button. The 1.77-inch LCD display will light up. Once you're powered on and ready to start using your V810, you can find device details on the LCD display by pressing the power button. For the V810V, the LCD displays information including battery level, LTE signal, call status, voicemail, and the time. For the V810VD, the LCD displays information including battery level, LTE signal, call status, voicemail, Wi-Fi, and the time. And for the V810A, you will be able to see battery level, LTE signal, Wi-Fi, and the time. If you want to increase your signal strength, you can install an optional external antenna. To install, align the antenna with the antenna port and screw it securely into place in a clockwise motion. After you're done, restart your device. If you have any questions or concerns, head over to ATEL's support page at www.atel-usa.com. You can find support on the top menu banner and select either Contact Support or Warranty, depending on your inquiry. You can also email us at support@atel-usa.com.